How do I ask my subscribers to consent to personal tracking? LISTSERV Maestro supports multiple levels of tracking for your mail jobs, with each level collecting a different degree of personally identifiable information about subscribers for your reports. Unique tracking records events like open-ups and clicks, but does not associate this data with individual subscribers. Anonymous tracking collects the same data, but allows it to be associated with anonymous profiles like age, gender, or zip code. Personal tracking records specific information about open-up and click events, and allows you to see exactly which subscriber triggered them and when. The type of tracking to use depends not only on your needs, but also on the data privacy laws in your jurisdiction. Some places, for example the European Union, have very strict data protection laws that require you to obtain consent from your subscribers for personal tracking. To make it easy to comply with these regulations, LISTSERV Maestro offers a built-in way to obtain permission for personal tracking from subscribers. To enable this feature, click on Subscriber Warehouse in the main menu. Then right-click on the relevant list or list group and choose Open List Group Definition. On the Profile Field step, click on Add Field. Enter a name for your new permission field and select Consent to Personal Tracking from the Data Type pull-down menu, followed by Next. On the Profile Field Details step, you will see the new permission field. Click on Edit. Here, you can decide whether you want this field to be displayed as a checkbox, pull-down menu, or as radio buttons. Enter an explanation for the field, followed by OK. Now, when people subscribe to your list, they will see a checkbox that allows them to consent to have their personal data used for tracking purposes. The next time you send a mail job to the list, you will notice a new option on the tracking definition screen. The permission-based personal tracking option will collect personal tracking information from those who have consented and non-identifiable tracking data from those who haven't, ensuring that you're in compliance with even the strictest data protection regulations. Thank you for watching.